Bawo Jesus we don't
South Africa here now. This is South Africa.
Uchenna Agbo, the digital priest. Digital priest. Because can even Wagu made you this kind of unprecedented program in Southeast?
ihe ejije bido ebe a nakọtakwazi every gawa ebe ọzọ na-akị aka akụkọ na-akị aka akụkọ mụ na ọdaga mba nsi mba na mụ adịkwa sentimental.
Okay,
I like regional development.
Okay.
And I believe that Nigeria should return
Yes.
regional government.
Yes.
Let every region develop at their own pace.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I have to bring what I know that we need.
Yes. Yes.
So the major motivation no just I want to see the people of Southeast grow. Bayamoto. Content creator is creating content. Content creator is creating content.
What did it take you to bring down this crop of legends all the way from Nigeria and all over the world?
My brother.
What did it take you, please?
Money.
Yes.
Money.
Bokuafa. It took money. It took money. It took money.
It took money. It chop money to bring them.
We're seeing so many legends.
It chop money.
We're seeing so many legends.
It chop money to bring them. Now money.
What are you? Talk to sponsors. Talk to investors, future investors.
Anibo is a very
tell us the future.
Habitable place.
Yes.
The future of Ani. The next thing I get is Coast City Film Village. Investors are welcome. We must begin to host Coast City Film Festival in a Coast City Film Village. Investors are welcome. Enugu State and Southeast in general is a viable place to invest.
Okay.
My governor said that Enugu is the point of destination for investment. I am supporting that.
Yes.
Producers have to come. Investors need to come down.
Okay.
But you have to start by supporting Coast Film Festival.
Yes. Yeah, we'll start somewhere.
Come and support us.
Are we expecting this kind of thing in any other part of Southeast apart from Enugu State?
I am encouraging it. I'm encouraging Imo State International Film Festival. I'm encouraging Imo Film Festival. I'm encouraging
Anambra State.
Igbo Wood Arts and Film Festival have started. I'm encouraging them.
Okay.
Instant Nigerian Film Festival have started. I'm encouraging them. I'm also encouraging one of other person that is giving me says that he wants to start a film festival in Ebonyi.
Okay.
I'm encouraging him. I'm encouraging anybody because I'm also the national chairman of Nigerian Film Festival Association.
Okay.
Which means I chair the group that houses all the film festivals in Nigeria.
Yeah.
So I'm encouraging anybody that wants to start a new festival in Southeast.
Okay.
Both from ENIF to Imo State International Film Festival, to Imo Film Festival, to Igbo Wood, to any of them. I'm encouraging them. More are coming.
Thank you very much, Honorable Uchenna Ezbo Enugu State. Honorable Kebo na. Honorable Adegego. Yeah, peace out, man.